Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of something that I picked up from Louis Vuitton, and let's get into it. I have been trying to take care of my skin more, so that's why I am going makeupless for this video. So this is me au naturel, but we'll go ahead and get into the unboxing. I'm going to make sure I'm hiding all the information, I guess, like my address and everything, because one time I did post a unboxing and I had like my address like fully on display, so I had to take that video down, and it is what it is, but lesson learned. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this tab right here. Okay, so this does have the Christmas packaging. I did get this from my husband for Christmas. We ordered it. Oh, when did this come out? Like in January, I think it is. And like we hopped on it real quick because I knew they were gonna sell out really fast. And it was like on my radar. I haven't really seen too much that I want from Vuitton lately because of these price increases. So here it is, the Christmas packaging. Go ahead and unwrap all that. Oh. Well, whoever wrapped it did a really good job. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh. I guess I could have left that bow. It slides out. It's been a minute since I've done an unboxing and a video, so bear with me. So we're gonna go ahead and open it like so. Just looking into the monitor, making sure everything is a-okay. Okay, so, and it's something small, but I'm really excited to see it. So here we go. Let's see. It's the Vivienne. I think it's like it's the bandeau. It's a Vivienne bandeau. They came out with this, like, I can't remember how long ago it was, but they came out with it. It is beautiful. I absolutely love this. Again, it's even better in person than like it was online. Look how cute that is. Oh, I hope it's all in focus and it's not like all out of focus, but oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. That is super cute. Oh my god, I love it. I absolutely love this. Here, I'm just gonna... This is the first time I'm seeing it. Oh my god, there's like a little Neverfull. There's a little newsstand, the Eiffel Tower. Let's see what else is there. There's a Petit Papillon, Sac Papillon, the Arc de Triomphe, Sacre-Cœur. Oh my gosh, this is cute. And look, she's on a little... I hope that's coming in focus. I don't know if that's going to come in focus, but she's on like a little skateboard. And on this side, she has like... She's on like roller skates and like... Looks like she's like having like a drink or something, but it is so cute. This is really cute. Wow, these got really like... I know the price of these did go up, and I was able to... Well, my husband was able to score this just before the price increase. I believe this one was like 190 euro, and I believe they're up to 200 euro right now, but I'm not gonna lie, I think these got a little like wider than before. I think this looks wide. I mean, I have other bandeaus. I just came back from the United States, so all my stuff is like packed away still. Yeah, this is like really big. Here, let me go see if I can fish one out real fast. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I found my kilogram bandeau, and they're... From the way it looks, I mean, they're both the same width, but I don't know, for some reason I thought it was thicker, but it's the same length. Yeah, but I don't know, it seems thicker, like, doesn't it? Like, I don't know, or maybe it's just me, I don't know. But yeah, so this is my bandeau from the kilogram collection. The collection I regret the most of not getting that that white Speedy. Oh my gosh, it was 1,500 euro at the time, but I just didn't have the funds at that moment, so I went ahead and passed, even though it was like something I knew I was going to regret. And now they're like on the pre-love market for like 6,000 to 8,000 euro, and I'm like, oh, I could have had it, but I'll learn from that mistake. So, but I definitely really wanted this piece when I saw it on Foxy LV's Instagram page. If you don't follow her, definitely go give her a follow on Instagram. She knows like she knows everything about everything when it comes to Vuitton and the releases, and that's how I get a lot of my information. That's how I found out about this bandeau, and that's how I find out about launches and everything, and she just knows everything, and she's a truly lovely person. And that was my quick unboxing of my brand new Vivienne bandeau. It is so cute. I can't wait to put this on some bags. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. And until then, be sure to take care of each other, be nice, be kind, and just be well. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.